Hello and welcome to this new YouTube tutorial. In this video series, we will introduce you to the basic functionalities of the Peakboard Hub Flows. In this first video, we'll look at a simple use case where we read the temperature from a temperature sensor and then log it into the Peakboard Hub. We begin in the Peakboard Hub. Here, we first need to ensure that our user group has access to the hub flows. To do this, go to the Users tab and enable the corresponding setting if necessary. Next, we copy our group key and the URL of our Peakboard Hub and then switch to the Peakboard Designer. Here, we select the Peakboard Hub settings and set our hub type to on-premise. Next, we enter the hub URL, select Authenticate by User Group Key, paste in our group key, and click Connect to establish the connection with the Peakboard Hub. After that, we can set up our MQTT data source. We select Data, then Add Data Source, and give it a name. Then we paste the URL from our MQTT broker. We're using the Mosquito MQTT broker here, and set up our temperature topic as the subscription. Since the values are transmitted as JSON, we select the Use Data Paths option and enter the path in the JSON. Once we activate the listener, we can directly see the values transmitted by the MQTT broker. Next, we create a data flow for the MQTT data source, give it a name, and then add a column. This column will return the current time in the format we prefer. Now we have the temperature and the current time in a table, and we can create our first hub flow. We give it a name, then select the trigger for the flow. In this case, it's a data change in the MQTT data source. As the first step, we reload the data flow to update the current time. To log the values in our hub, we select the Output step. This will automatically create a table in our Peakboard Hub and add a new row to the table every time the hub flow runs and the values have changed. And that's it for this project. We can now click the Upload button, give our project a name, and then return to the Peakboard Hub to see how our flow is running. If all steps show a green dot and there are no error messages in the log, we can switch to the Lists tab and see that our list has been created and the first value has already been logged. We can then embed this hub list into our Peakboard applications as usual and work with the values that continue to be captured by the hub flow. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please let us know with a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any further videos.